Siaya town. So guys, today I want to share with you some aerial shots of Siaya town. I hope you enjoy the video, guys, and of course guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course there are more videos coming on this channel of places that you've gone but you've never seen how they look from above. Siaya town is approximately 410 kilometers from Nairobi city and around 55 kilometers from Kisumu city. Siaya town is the headquarters of Siaya county. Siaya county has 6 sub-counties, which is Alego, Usonga, Bondo, Ugenya, Ugunja, Game and Rarieda. How do you get to Siaya town? You can access the town via Luanda or the other side of Bondo town, and that if you come from the Kisumu side. There you have it, guys. Today you have seen Siaya town from above, the bird's eye angle. Thank you so much for watching, and of course please subscribe and wait for more video on this channel. Bye.